You make it, we all skate it.
Whoa, what could this be?
I don't want to skate this. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I think he said it's a replica of like the first skateboard ever built.
I just want to take a bunch of photos with it.
It's pretty freaking awesome, dude.
Okay, so this is what I'm worried about. The wheels breaking off.
Killing it.
Dude, it's terrifying. Just throw it down and give yourself a real solid fast push.
Trucks are definitely loose.
I thought the second you pushed, you were just gonna eat it.
Oh!
Oh!
That was sick.
Yeah, thanks.
I don't know what it was, but it's something.
Shove it primo style. I gotta land at least one shove it.
Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Wow. That was no toe drag. I mean, sure, I did a 360 afterwards, but we're gonna count that.
That was beautiful.
Right? That was the hardest thing I've ever done. Mall grab in 1964. So you wanted to drop in? You're sure? I can see why. It matches your board perfectly.
Kelly, you're a daredevil.
Let me just ride on it real quick. These are loose, these are cool, I like it.
Dude, careful, man.
I expected it to be like super tight.
Yeah.
I would just like.
Why did you hold?
You're holding
Oh, was I holding you?
No, you're actually holding me.
Oh, my bad.
No one people can actually land. Remember when my dad dropped me?
Nice, Kelly. That looks like an ankle breaker.
You can't even switch flip and tech deck, you poser!
I just did it right there.
Nigel, look at this. Isn't this sick?
I'm having flashbacks.
The Hot Wheels, right? Dude, so this is the way, right?
We have the fully assembled Tech Deck skateboard, the very first ever one on our channel, not in the entire world. Uzi, well done. I gotta say.
I only stabbed myself one time. I forgot the screws were sticking out of the grip tape, and I like set it like that, and it went
his leg and stabbed himself. Gonna drop in?
Yeah, went Air Force.
Oh.
Well, okay, we got some flat spots.
Oh no.
I think we've messed it up already.
Full send. Oh! 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 I can't believe. Oh my.
Oh, look at it. It turned sideways now. Did some break?
Uh oh!
We lost one.
Hey, none of them fell off though. Dang.
Tech Deck tray flip.
Oh! Wow, that was amazing.
I didn't like it. I'll try again.
Oh, I'll hold this for the good one.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that was right here.
That was better.
Here, I saved this for you. Oh man.
Hold on. I can't have that like that.
What?
I'm pretty sure it's not fragile. Very satisfying. Jeez. Calm down, Aaron.
And gets litter every day.
It's really a bouncy ball. I hope they don't break first try.
If they break first try, I will cry. It's legit. It's fully good. First try.
Oh, that was good.
Oh! Yes. It's definitely sharp. That's for sure. No, it's pretty solid. Well, it's on there.
Looks cool.
Think so?
Yeah.
All right, Doug, I made it. You skate it.
This is the most hood gangster mall grab you can do.
Exactly.
Then you're like, what?
Zombie apocalypse skateboard.
Zombie apocalypse, here we go.
Oh, first try. Whoa, Douglas.
That bad?
It's not that bad. No! That's gotta count for something.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, it got me.
It got you?
It got me.
Where?
Oh, it got my foot. There you see it. There. You gotta go for it and not, you know, bail. I'm sorry, Aaron.
Woo! The world's most expensive grip tape?
It's either that or that.
So I gripped this old cruiser with Louis Vuitton leather. Braille. Yeah.
No, wait, it says Skate God.
Lance sucks. Oh wait. Braille.
That was solid.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh! That sounded painful. Are you okay?
Nice. Without a doubt, Louis would be proud.
Oh man.
Dude, tell me that's not the coolest thing you've ever seen. You think that these are gonna work?
Amazing. Oh, they're gonna work for sure, yeah.
How cool is that gonna look?
That is very cool. Let's see what it says. 53 millimeter, 250A. And obviously, they are force wheels.
That is so cool, dude.
Listen to the sound.
Oh, wow, it's so much harder. Doug, you skate really good on that. Yes. Well, Doug, I reviewed the footage. That looked good.
Thank you.
Slaying the hubba. Yes!
Tray double flip.
Oh my god. What the, John? That noise, dude. I just want to see it like crack the ground, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Hey, my Hot Wheels collection.
That's where they went.
It was stolen! And it's on a Kryptonics board. If you break it, you owe me a Hot Wheels collection. Dude, that might be hard to skate.
I think this is what happened. They said, oh, it rolls really good. They put it down and they went like this. But nobody stood on it. Oh no! Flat spotted the Hot Wheel.
You went for the power slide so
Can you
fast.
see that? Yeah, that Hot Wheel is just dunzo.
Nice.
Oh no!
Why did I have to break it?
That is amazing.
Lance, try to mall grab.
I mean, I guess.
It's like a fakey switch. Ball grab.
Switch ball grab.
Yeah.
Dude, that is so low rider. I didn't realize how low rider was gonna be.
I thought I was gonna die.
Body went fakey. Yeah. Let's look at the physics of this. How is this even possible? I'm trying to figure this out. So here's the truck, the wheels, and the board is down here, and then the bolts are opposite. So they're going.
They're reversed.
Yeah, they're reversed. They're going back, and it's just crazy because there's no space whatsoever. Ugh. Wow, it's a lot harder than I thought. Yeah! Woo!
That was way better.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Well, I gotta tie the truck to falling apart.
Woo! That was pretty good, actually.
That counts.
Woo! Rolled away and everything. Yeah.
That counts.
That counts, absolutely.
An enormous thanks to Tall Fisherman Jay. Here's his YouTube channel. He made this board, and I think it's super sick. What do you think?
It was fun.
Yeah, it was super fun, right?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below.